Good morning, everybody. This is Anna Cass for another Anna Cass Fitness. Today is October 8th, 2016. I am up here in North Carolina enjoying a beautiful rainy day thanks to Hurricane Mathew, not Andrew. So pretty much I am housebounded for a couple days, and that is okay with me. I've done plenty of traveling, and unfortunately it's taken a toll on my body. I am now officially... My lowest was 161. As of this morning, I was 179.6. So my first goal is to go ahead and re-drop back down to 161. And now that I have all my traveling done, I have October, November, December, January, February. I have 5 months. And the good part is I live by myself and I don't have a lot of family. So I'll be able to avoid a lot of the crazy holiday snacks and all kinds of stuff. And I'm one of those people that once I buckle down, I can buckle down really good for anybody who knows me. So for right now, today's going to be awesome. As you can see, I'm getting my walls decorated a little bit. Yes, that is beer. I have a beer problem, but I mainly just do maybe like one beer a night. Not really plan on it. It's just every so often I can't sleep because I do a lot of stuff continuously. So when I take one beer, it kind of mellows me out. And people are like, just take melatonin. Melatonin dopes me up. A beer just chills me out and then I can sleep solid for the night, which is great. As for me, today I'm getting ready just to go ahead and do some cardio inside the house. As you guys saw, there's my little home gym right there. There's the bicycle, and then there's the elliptical. And I'm also going to be doing little things around the house. I'm pretty much setting up my old workout area. So I'm going to start tracking my weight, the old school way, where I write it down so I can physically see it every day. I have the scale in the bathroom because I'm in the living room, and there are my windows. I don't want to weigh myself naked in front of my neighbors. And I'm going to start cleaning all my art supply stuff and migrating them somewhere else so that way I can have this area solely for my fitness stuff. So it's going to be great. And I would normally put my laptop or a TV right in front of my workout area so that way I can, have something to do or keep my mind busy for the 20 to 40 minutes of time that I am just working out. However, I will have to say... because I've been doing a lot of low impact cardio, when I actually went back this week and I tried running once, my body did really great. Went 5 days where I didn't do anything. I just let my body heal. My leg felt fantastic. And then I ran this week and I realized that the 5 miles per hour was way too slow. So I put it 6 miles per hour and I'm very, very comfortable. And if you're a heavy runner, you're like, psh, slow, but I'm like, you know what? I'm not a heavy runner. I'm still learning about my body. I'm still adjusting to it. And for me, that's a really big thing. I've never been able to run that fast comfortably. So right now, my goal is to get it to 6.5 very comfortably, but I'm going to give it 2 or 3 more weeks. Like I said, my leg is healing out fine. I have a few spots where it still kind of bothers me, but it's very, very faint, and it's only a fraction of what it used to be pain-wise. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and be filming myself as I'm working out today. I'm going to show you a couple things to do at home, or at least as best as I can. And yeah, you guys ready to watch me suffer? Yeah, no, it's not really suffering. It's just a celebration of what your body can do, pretty much. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. this movement is called tater tots. It's a full body motion movement, and it pretty much starts with a kettlebell swing with a squat, where at the top you release the kettlebell for a second, and then you pretty much go and you squat down with the weight. It's fantastic movement, and as for me, I'm still working on my form, so that's why I'm still only going light with a 20-pound weight. This last movement is a small superset. It is a weighted hip thrust with a 20-pound weight, followed by Russian twist. This one was my last set, so I did as many as I could, so I wasn't really counting. I just did it until my body gave out. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I try to put some of my exercises in there. I also try to explain some of the stuff that I'm doing. I know every once in a while I didn't get a chance to, but now that I'm home again by myself, I should be able to easily record without disturbing anybody. But yeah, I'm just kind of having fun. It's the hurricane day, or hurricane day. It's going to rain a lot there up here in North Carolina. So I'm not planning to leave my house anytime soon today. That's just absurd. But for the most part, I'm going to be doing little home workouts all day. I'm also going to be catching up with a lot of the videos and product reviews. I have several things that I want to review for you guys, and I haven't had a chance to because I've been so busy. And some of these include the Muscle Milk, the new smoothie one, which is, it's interesting, but I'll review that later. Some of the Epic bars that I've been able to find, and then they started doing like the Oh Yeah One bars, which are pretty good. And this is pretty cool. I'm not sure if this is only a North Carolina thing. But there is this one product. Okay, sorry about that. And it's called Dave's Killer Bread. So I'm going to be reviewing this here in a little bit. I just got to take a shower and refresh because I look terrible, and the last thing I want to do is touch food when I'm disgusting. But anyway, guys, it's been Khayos for another Khayos Fitness. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr. I'm also on bodybuilder.com. My fitness pal, sorry if I haven't been tracking. I actually started tracking again as of today. I'm going to try to be strict about it because I have no excuse. I'm not traveling, I don't have guests, I don't have anything. I have no excuse. So, and I already cleaned up all my cabinets. Right now I'm sorting out through my fridge, getting rid of stuff that shouldn't be there. So the last thing that I have is my beer. It's a hurricane weekend or storm weekend, so let me have my beer for my weekend and I'll be 100% good, I swear. I swear. And then also don't forget to follow me on, what's the last one I forgot? So my fitness pal, oh, I'm also on Fitbit, so you want to add me on there and we can cheer each other on. That's cool. And yeah, don't forget to check out my GoFundMe. If you cannot donate towards my cause, at least share my story. You guys have been awesome, and thank you for always giving my videos some love. You guys are amazing, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.